This course covers basic concepts necessary for living in Japan to prevent problems in your daily life. Case 4. Why do people complain about phone calls or loud talking at night? At 10 p.m., Arif was in his room talking with his family on the phone. It had been a long time since they last spoke, so his voice was a little louder than usual. The next day, he noticed a message on the apartment notice board. Please be mindful of voices and phone calls at night. Arif felt confused. I was only talking on the phone, he thought. He couldn't understand why this had become a problem. In Japan, quietness at night is considered very important, especially in apartments and condominiums. Even phone calls or conversations after 9 p.m. can be heard as daily living noise and may bother others. In Japan, it is common to not directly warn people, but to post notices or communicate through the management company. In Japan, people often think less about am I okay? And more about how might others feel. Even if something is not clearly written in the rules, being quiet at night is a manner that people are generally expected to follow. By showing a little consideration for nighttime noise, daily life in Japan can become much smoother and more comfortable for everyone.